Hi, Jonathan Godfrey, onsite wastewater professionals. We're out in the field today, and we're looking at some technology to capture ground, maybe elevations, in a digital platform. I'm here with Benchmark Tool and Supply. What do we have to play with?
Yeah, so we have a mobile LiDAR solution here. So you're able to walk around through the rugged terrain out here and be able to map everything out. Then what we're going to do is we're going to clean up all the trees and brush so you're able to get your ground surface. That way you can get your contours, your measurements, everything you need.
So traditionally we'd go out with a laser level and we would capture maybe 50 elevation points, 50 to say 75 on a typical site, to create our version of a model of elevation and depict where our septic trenches are going to run. What type of detail could I get from a device on how many data points? If I'm 50 to 100, where are we at on this?
So many more. This system spins 360, and then it actually gets 270 field of view. So,
okay, so I got a big field of view, and
it's spinning, and then it's reaching. This unit specifically is reaching out about 100 feet, but there are other units that reach out even further than that.
And we're talking lasers here, right? Laser beams.
LiDAR laser. So it's getting over hundreds of points a second as you're walking with it. And so you're getting more data, and so the quality you're getting is going to be able to reflect a whole lot better accuracy.
And we're building an elevation cloud that is going to be something that we could do a couple things with. We could certainly build our layouts off of it with extreme precision. We could also do a little bit of protect us in liability wise in case lots were cut and damage was done after the fact. We've got a way that we're going to tie it into the existing property on known points so that we can orient the data correctly. But how quick could I capture? Let's say I've got a 1 acre field or 1 acre area. How quick could I do a data capture with this technology?
How fast can you walk?
So it's literally walk or jog.
It's walk or jog.
Yeah, and grab it, and then am I looking at 5 days of data process time and post-process?
So the unit does come with processing software, and you're looking about a 1 to 2 processing time. So for every minute of walking, you're looking about 2 minutes of processing.
So if I do a 10-minute walk, I'm looking at a 20-minute process,
roughly 20 minutes.
and I've got a usable data set.
Absolutely.
That's a big leap forward from where we were in the past. So, very good, and it works with, you said Apple and Windows.
Yeah, so this unit does your real time, so you can see the point cloud as you're collecting it. And so it's just logged on through an IP address. So yes, you could use Apple or Android device, it does not matter.
Very good, very good. Benchmark Tool and Supply. We've got SLAM, it's the GeoSLAM, right?
Yep, that's what this unit is.
GeoSLAM, and it is a handheld LiDAR.
Yes, sir.
That's where we're at. All right, awesome. Thank you guys very much.
Absolutely.